Welcome to B30, where we delve into life strategies and self-enhancement techniques that will help you reach your full potential, especially as you approach 30. I'm Alec, and today we're breaking down the 13 Pillars of High Performers by Justin Mecham. These principles are the bedrock of success for anyone looking to excel in their career and personal life. Let's dive in. Number 13. Positive mindset. High performers always maintain a positive outlook no matter the circumstances. They encourage a hopeful and confident perspective, which allows them to navigate challenges with grace. A positive mindset isn't just about optimism. It's about believing in your ability to succeed and pushing through adversity with a can-do attitude. Number 12. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is critical for maintaining professional relationships and a positive work environment. High performers know how to manage their emotions, as well as understand and influence the emotions of others. This skill helps in conflict resolution and fosters a collaborative atmosphere in any team. Number 11. Strategic self-awareness. Understanding your strengths and weaknesses is essential for growth. High performers regularly assess their abilities and seek ways to improve. They know when to leverage their strengths and when to seek help or develop new skills to overcome their weaknesses. Number 10. Dynamic adaptability. In a world that's constantly changing, adaptability is key. High performers are quick to adjust to new information, altered circumstances, or unexpected challenges. They remain flexible and open-minded, which allows them to thrive in any environment. Number 9. Proactive learning. High performers never stop learning. They actively seek out opportunities for self-improvement and skill enhancement. Whether it's through reading, taking courses, or seeking mentorship, they are always on the lookout for ways to grow. Number 8. Efficient execution. Execution is everything. High performers prioritize their tasks and focus on delivering results. They are masters at time management, ensuring that they work smart, not just hard. This efficiency allows them to consistently meet and exceed expectations. Number 7. Sincere collaboration. Collaboration is about more than just working together. It's about valuing the team's success over individual accolades. High performers are genuinely invested in the achievements of their team and work diligently to ensure that everyone succeeds. Number 6. Impactful communication. Clear communication is a hallmark of high performers. They know how to share their ideas effectively and listen actively to others. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and that projects move forward smoothly. Number 5. Empathetic leadership. Leadership isn't just about giving orders. It's about understanding and supporting your team. High performers build trust through empathetic leadership, ensuring that their team members feel valued and understood. This approach not only boosts morale, but also drives better results. Number 4. Genuine humility. Humility is a strength, not a weakness. High performers are open to receiving and acting on feedback. They understand that there's always room for improvement and that learning from others is essential to growth. Number 3. Take ownership. Responsibility is at the core of high performance. High performers take full ownership of their actions and their outcomes. They don't shy away from accountability and are always ready to step up and make things right. Number 2. Solve problems. Problems are inevitable, but high performers approach them with creative solutions. They don't just identify problems, they actively seek out ways to solve them. This proactive approach ensures that they are always moving forward, even in the face of obstacles. Number 1. Resilience. Last but certainly not least, resilience is what keeps high performers going. They bounce back from setbacks with a constructive attitude, learning from their experiences and coming back stronger. Resilience is what allows them to continue striving towards their goals, no matter how tough the journey gets. And there you have it, the 13 Pillars of High Performers by Justin Mecham. By embracing these principles, you can unlock your potential and achieve great things in both your professional and personal life. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and success. Keep pushing forward, and remember, you're just one change away from becoming the best version of yourself. See you in the next video.